To a certain extent, Your Honor, yes.
Sige. I think that Senator Tulfo would like to interject.
Thank you, Madam Chair. There's something that I have observed, Madam Chair, and this goes to the Secretary of the Foreign Affairs. Problema po kasi, Madam Secretary, Madam Chair, parang we have to respect the one China policy. Tama po. At sumusunod tayo sa gusto nila. The problem now is, paano naman tayo? Paano naman po si Eddie? Tinatrato na parang langgam at kayang-kayang apak-apakan lang po tayo. There is no more respect, ika nga. While we respect what they want, while we don't want to interfere in their affairs between China and Taiwan, but what about our position? As neighbors, na they can just trample, they can just come into our territory and interfere with our affairs. Siguro, Madam Chair, sa akin lang po ha, I mean, this does not reflect the opinion of the committee. Rather, it's a personal opinion. I think it's high time that we think our position if we must continue to observe this one China policy. Because of the fact na hindi naman po ginagalang tayo while we respect what they want. You understand where I'm coming from, Madam Secretary. While we respect what they want. One China policy kami ito, huwag kayong makialam. But what about us? What about our rights? Our rights at the West Philippine Sea. They can come in and out and wala tayong say, to the point that our personnel, our Coast Guard and Navy personnel being harassed, our fishermen driven away back to our shores. I mean, I don't know. I don't know, but on my opinion, Madam Secretary, we really have to think of this position. I mean, yes, the United States is observing this one China policy. Hindi naman sila po binubuli. Tayo po nabubuli. And come to think of it, that's our neighbor. We respect what they want, pero what we want is that they get out of the West Philippine Sea. They don't respect that, Madam Chair. So I want to hear your opinion on this, Madam Secretary.
Chair?
Yes, you're recognized, please.
Thank you very much for that statement, that opinion, that personal statement of yours, Senator Tulfo. I guess the situation is such, but as far as the Department of Foreign Affairs is concerned, we have certain mechanisms that we have been employing from the start in dealing with.
Pero sorry to interrupt, Secretary Lazaro, pero yung ating mga note verbal at yung sangkatutak na protesta, umabot na yata ng 300 mahigit. Ilan na ba? Ano ba ang running count natin? Napakarami. Wala na ma-epekto.
Yeah,
parang nakakahiya, dinededma.
Ang problema, Madam Chair, is that it's also important na yung mga protests na yon form part of the documentation in case whatever happens. And this was what was used during the arbitral proceedings at The Hague. But going back to the question of Senator...
But do we have any other effective means of...
That's what I'm trying to say.
I mean, obviously, well, we can keep sending those note verbal. We can call for the ambassador. We can protest in the United Nations, in the ASEAN, and so on. But to no real effect. Things are just being exacerbated by all these efforts, apparently angering the Chinese even further. So wala rin epekto.
But as I was starting to state, we have a